Good morning. My name is S Shankar. I'm a Director of OSV Ventures Private Limited, OSV, and welcome to Innovate Bharat. Most of our customers are from overseas. So overseas customer can warehouse their material in their name in our facility, and they can release the material in India, and they can keep the material without paying any duty, taxes till the time they don't release to India. If they are exporting, they are free to export, and they can do the payment. They can accept the payment from their own country. We have started this company in 2016. We are into free trade warehousing zone, and we have the warehouses in pan India. We mainly provide the services to foreign companies as well as Indian companies who are importing the material to India and keeping the warehouse and releasing the material as and when they required for Indian buyers, or they can export the material also all over the world. Mainly we are handling pharma items, engineering goods, and aeronautical products, electronic items, and we have a presence all over India, started from Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Mundra, Vizag, Kochi. Now we are into Hyderabad airport also.